Welcome back to my channel. Quick update on plants, dog, the puss, all the animal. So guys, sit back, relax and enjoy my channel. You never know what you might see over here. You might see plant, you might see the dog, you might see the puss, you might see a bird, but this is a good relaxing channel. So come over here, relax your mind and enjoy the view and love yourself. Relax and enjoy. Quick update on the plants. This is the money tree. My previous video, it was not looking like this. A quick update on the money tree. Come in and enjoy yourself. Relax to my channel. We see the dog, the puss, the plants, the sounds of birds, all nature. Lemon tree. If you want your lemon tree to look like this, share this video, connect with my channel, subscribe for more on how to get your lemon tree to look like this. So welcome to my channel. Relax yourself, enjoy. Everyone look, but please don't laugh. Welcome to my channel. Relax yourself, enjoy my channel. Like, share and subscribe for more information on how to grow a lemon plant from the seed. So welcome in and relax to my channel and enjoy the videos. You might see a dog, you might see a puss, you might see a dog, you might see a cat, you might see plant, a little of everything over here. So welcome back to my channel. Come enjoy a little of everything, which means plants, dog,